Hello everyone, myself Raj Thapa and I'm here to present my next video tutorial on man in the middle attack. The description about this attack is shown in PowerPoint presentations at here. I'm going to start my slideshow right now. First of all, there is a disclaimer that this video is used only for education purposes and doesn't involve any illegal activities. Okay. So use your knowledge only for any education purpose. Please, this is my hard request to all of you. Please don't to use your knowledge for any illegal activities because there is a law. Some if you try to have this knowledge for illegal activity caught by someone else, it can be used for your career to extra. Now today, five further moving. Today's expert is man in the middle attack, which is already working. And this attack is in working condition because lots of attack that I have searched on internet that they are not fully workable. Um, Lots of vulnerabilities are present. There are some command line errors on many attacks which can't be executable during the process. As I explained on the slideshows, that this attack is used within a particular network, within a LAN or within a WLAN. WLAN stands for wireless LAN that you set a Wi-Fi connectivity. If there is a Wi-Fi connectivity, you can use this attack for sniffing passwords from HTTP as websites like Hotmail, Gmail, Facebook, MySpace, and all of the websites which use the secure HTTPS. This also useful as stripping on a particular network. And this stripping has a programming script which is written on Python, and this program is already installed in Backtrack OS. It is used for the stripping out of SSL from HTTPS, that is secure web page. Now the use which is used for performing attack, that is Backtrack Windows 7 victim running on a washing machine. This attack is also available on Windows XP. Windows XP, I can say that this type of attack is available on Windows NT. Windows NT stands for Windows XP, Vista, Ultimate, and all of the Windows that are up till available. I didn't try this attack on Windows 8. I don't know what about that. I will perform this attack on Windows 8 within next videos. Now the tools which are mainly used for the man-in-the-middle attack is EtherCAT. This kind of tool is present in Backtrack as a network sniffer. Network sniffer, you can think that it can sniff the password, usernames, and all of the useful data from a network. Okay. Now the steps that are explained during the performance of attack. I'm going to explain you each and every step and how I perform that step on further. What happens after the performing the attack? Uh, there's lots of question in your mind that what will happen after we perform this attack? What is the purpose of this attack? Why we perform this attack? You just know that there's lots of websites which have HTTPS. Okay, this HTTPS provides you encryption. If you try to access your account from any browser, then you can say that you can use Google Chrome, you can use Internet Explorer. From here, you can put the address that is like a Facebook.com. After putting an address, you have to give the credentials, like you have to provide username and password. After that, this password is transferred from your browser to the main database of the Facebook in encrypted form. It can't be decrypted by any of the tools because it has the two keys, the private key and public key. The public key is just provided by your browser, and the private key is provided by the database. So if you really want to access on these kind of networks, this kind of encryptions. Then we can use the SSL stripping on a particular network. This kind of attack is only available on a particular network, not anything else. You can't attack from here to anywhere else using SSL stripping. It can't be applicable. It can't be performed. Attacker can easily recognize this kind of uh, password which is using the network sniffers because they are in clear format. This is a pictorial way of MIT attack. That is man in the middle attack. Man in the middle attack. Okay. At the left, very much left side, it is a client. This is a client. This is your client. I will can say that this is your victim. This is you, the attacker. This is the SSL which have the website like HTTPS websites, secure website. This is the web server. This is your web server, and this is your main database server. From here, you can be here. The password that I encrypted at here, it's unlocked by the private key which is present at here. Okay. Now we have to use attacker as an intermediate between these two client and the server. For this, I have to perform my live attack using this. I'm going to start my live attack. For this, I have to, as I have already explained, that I have to use the Windows XP machines and sorry, Windows 7 machine and Vector, which is running virtually on my virtual VMware workstation. You can download this kind of software from the description that I have posted below the video. Please subscribe me and follow me on Twitter at www.twitter.com/computergenesis. You can get many updates from here and there if you are using the Twitter account. Now, firstly, I have to check out the IP configurations. ifconfig. I'm just at here. I think that my IP address is 192.168.154.128. Now I'm going to check the IP address of my victim machine. Okay, I'm going to check the IP address of victim machine. It's in this one prompt. IP configuration. Okay, the 192.168.154.130 is the IP address for my local machine. The default address is given as 192.168 1542. Okay, now I'm going to start my attack. I'm going to close this right now. After in the new terminal, I have to spoof the IP address. In ARP spoofing, the literal meaning of ARP spoofing is that you are going to make a fool of a client that you are a server. The client will think that you are a server, but in real you are not a server. You are acting as an intermediate between the servers. But the client doesn't recognize that you are a server, you are an attacker. It can be recognized by after a few steps. I'll tell you how. By with 0 t 92.168.154.10. This is the IP address that I provided here. The IP address is provided here is the IP address of victim, and by I'm putting some space on space, I have to provide the IP address of default gateway. Okay, now hit enter. Okay, now ARP spoofing is done. Okay, after ARP spoofing, just you make a scenario in your mind that you are act as an intermediate between the client and the server. Now, how the client is able to contact to a server? If you are in between, the internet connectivity will be down, very much down. So for that, you have to um, give a command for the IP forward so that the internet connectivity of Mr. or consider the internet connectivity of the client is can't be slow. Echo 1. Okay. The echo 1, then double signature of greater than sign, process system net IPv4 IP forward. Now I have to locate the ether.conf. This is the ether.conf that I'm interested in very much. Now I have to view this configuration by providing a command called vi for view in Linux. I'm going to paste it here. At here I think that it already exists, because if you use the tag 2 to 3 times, it can be just already. Oh, by my sorry. Now I'm just scrolling down. It can edit anywhere, recover, delete it. I'm just going to. You can choose any of the option you want to. I'm going to choose the E option, that you have to edit. After down scrolling down there, not scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling. I'm trusting in. Okay, I'm just interested in IP tables. I'm not interested in IP chain. I'm just interested in IP tables. I have to delete this hash by tapping X. After that, it will become red color, and also tapping X. Now I'm going to copy this command. I'm so sorry. Open new terminal. After that, I'm going to paste it here. IP tables. Now I'm going to edit this command line. At here, I'm going to provide any random port mm, where the rigging will connect with me. I'm going to provide a 10,000. I'm so sorry. 10,000. And the destination port is always same as 80. We have the destination port of 80. You can't change it. And this is the interface. If you are in wireless, if you're connected with wireless, you can provide it at you can write WLAN 0. As I'm connected with Ethernet, as I'm in virtual machine, so I have to write ETH 0. After hit enter. Now I'm going now the main part of the tag is shown. Okay, the main part of the tag is EtherCap. This EtherCap machine is it is kind of a tool which is present in backend machine. Before that, I have to locate some of the SSL. Locate SSL strip dot py. This is the script which is used for the stripping of SSL. As the name suggests, it is a strip, which is strip out as from HTTP as none to CV. Pen test. Just make a habit of writing tab. It can be helpful to you to check you are writing correct or not. Okay. Now for executing any script, you have the command like dot forward slash and the name of the script stripy and hit enter. The SSL strip is just started. Now I'm going to start the EtherCap tool, which is present as a protocol, and this is network sniff for ethercap.gtk. Now I have to sniff, unify sniffing, Ethernet, okay, and I'm going to start sniffing. The sniffing just started. Now I'm going to move towards my victim machine, refresh the page. college. I'm going to start the internet. Okay, let's provide my IP addresses. My IP address of my college. As my college provided the IP address, I provided a firewall in the internet. Google.com. Okay, the internet is working properly. So it means that your IP address has been confirmed. You can see that at here. You can see that it is of HTTP. But normally you can browse website. You can see that HTTPS. It means your attack is just prolonged. Okay. Now we have to. I'm going on my mail address. I have my mail address on Hotmail. I'm going to snip the password of hotmail.com on a network. It just take lots of time because the internet connectivity in our college is not too fast. It's just working. Okay, now you can see at here uh, HTTP is provided you. Why is it not coming? It can take lots of time for the loading. Okay, we just here. We just here. What happens now? I don't know why it's not working. Okay, this is working. Actually, I'm going to provide. Okay, I'm going to provide my uh, Gmail account, which is present on Hotmail. I'm not going to provide my account. I'm just provide a random account as a AP. I don't know why it's not working. What is it? Okay, at here at Yahoo, I'm going to provide the account at Yahoo. Avinash Yahoo.com. And just provide a random password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 any password I'm going to provide. I'm just clicking sign in. Okay, so it just me ask that I have the wrong password. So I'm just going to start at here. Now I'm just looking at my application. You can see that the user Avinash. Okay, user Avinash, that Avinash and user Thapa at yahoo.com. Yes, I had logged in yahoomail.com. Okay, and your password is 1234567952225. You can see that the password is snipped on a network. You can snip any of the password on a network using this kind of attack, called previous man in the middle attack. Keep me posted. Subscribe me. That help me to earn money because I really want to earn money. Mainly, I have to consider with my hits. I really want to have it. I don't know. Consider earn money. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Watch my videos. Like my videos. And if you have any problem with this kind of tutorials, if you can't understand the tutorials, if you have some of the problems, you can just post me on comments. I will review it on it and post the post your problems, consider your problems on internet. Bye bye.